Hi, today I'm going to discuss about the last column. In previous video, I discussed about the how we can find last data, but here I'm going to discuss about the how we can find last column. So I'm going to transpose the data. So I'm going to transpose the data through the shortcut. You can see here my data is transposed now. I'm going to remove. So my last data is M. Okay, so I'm going to find out this last column through the VBA code. My pointer is available on A1. Then whenever I want to take last column, you have to write a code to find last column like this. So how we can write the code, you can see. So writing the code, sub find last column. So I will have to write here dim l call. This is the name of the variable as byte. In this variable I will count how many data is available in row 1. Okay, you have 13 data, you can see in the status bar. Now I'm going to write l call. So I'm calling worksheet function dot count, worksheet function dot count a range bracket start. Here I will have to write one number row to one number row. Okay, bracket close. Now I'm writing here range from A1. I'm taking here dot offset bracket. Here I will have to take zero number row movement, zero row movement, comma column. So I will have to pass here L call bracket close dot select. Now I'm running this macro. You can see my pointer is on last column. Okay, last data. After last data, you can see the blank. So my data is on blank, first blank of after last data. So moving on, next part, if you don't want to find the blank, you want to find the data, you have to do here -1. So I will have to write -1, then I'm running macro. You can see my data, my pointer is available on last data. Okay, thank you so much. That's it for this video.